Friends, you are welcome to your own channel Career Start, and today we are here to have a look upon some general knowledge questions, and these general knowledge questions are based on the Indian Constitution, which are very important from any examination's point of view. So now let me just have a request. Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it because it will be motivating me to have better videos for you. And you know motivation is very important for doing any task, so hopefully you will be definitely helping me by subscribing it. Well, now let's have a look upon the questions for today's session. Who is called the mother of all constitutions? Answer is British Parliament. Next is, which is mainly emphasized by communism? So here the answer is economy equity. Next question is, which is the first example of enacted constitution? Answer is Constitution of USA. Who had proclaimed that demography is by the people, of the people and for the people? Answer is Abraham Lincoln. Next question, what type of government system exists in England? Unitary form of government is the answer for this question. Now, let's have a look upon the next question. What is the name of Japanese parliament? Diet. The oldest monarchy of the world is dash Japan. What is the name of Russian parliament? Duma. Who first proposed the idea of constituent assembly for constitution for India? Swaraj Party in the year of 1934. Who was formed Indian Constitution? The Constituent Assembly is the answer. Next question. Who was the constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly? B. N. Rao. Who was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Next question is, who was presented the preamble to drafting committee? Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. These questions are very important actually, and in this if you will see, this question is also very important, that is who was presented the preamble to drafting committee. This answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is very important. You can see in different competitive exams paper. Who was the president of drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is father of Indian Constitution is the answer for this question. Who elected the Constituent Assembly in 1946? Answer is Provincial Assembly. Next question, which was the basis of constitution of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Cabinet Mission Plan by the year of 1946. Next question, the draft of Indian Constitution completed on which date? Here answer is 16th November 1949. What was the important feature of Act of 1935? Provincial autonomy is the answer. When was Indian Constitution came into force completed on? Answer is 26th January 1950. Next question is, who was Vice President of Executive Council in the interim government formed in the year of 1946? Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. How many articles were there in the Indian Constitution? This question again is very important. And the answer is 395. Friends, all questions are very important, but few sessions are very important. That's what I am giving you this symbol, so that those sessions you can have a look. Which country has the largest constitution of this world? India. Which country has the unwritten constitution in this world? England. In which form of government constitution declares India Union of States? Indian constitution has adopted the parliament form of government from which country? Answer is England. Indian constitution has adopted the system of judicial review from which country? Answer is USA. Next question, Indian constitution has adopted federal scheme from which country? Canada is the answer. Which is the supreme law in India? The supreme law in India is the Constitution of India. The words socialist and secular has been added to the preamble of Indian Constitution by which Amendment Act? You can see its answer is 42nd Constitutional Amendment, and this amendment is very important, friends. In many of the examination it has been asked. Next is who has the power to create new states or to change the boundaries of the existing states? Parliament. Friends, if you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share my videos with your friends and relatives so that they can also get benefits, and like my videos. Please do comment so that I can understand what exactly you are looking for from my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.